What's going on, YouTubers? We're back with another one, and it's been the most craziest 2 weeks in the junk removal business. It's been non-stop busy, and today we were supposed to take it off, but guess what? The JoJo said, let's go get that money for a contractor that needed some trash picked up. So after this, we done.
Yeah, we done.
So I want to give a special thanks to all the haulers and ballers out there that bought some gear, and especially Island Strong Hauling, the Samoan homeboy. Check this out. I love that hustler, grinder, go-getter t-shirt you got right there. So let's go get this money. You ready?
And if you want to grab yours, check down below on the merchandise shelf and you might find something that you really like in there.
Oh yeah, hit that like and subscribe button, and we love all you guys. So this is where the job's at the mall, Cottingtown Mall, baby. And it's supposed to be a box they pushed outside that has a little bit of tile and some construction debris. So we're here, they needed to get it done today, so we gonna get it done. So we are at the job, and look at this. All I gotta say is that's the definition of easy money. JoJo, what do you think?
It's great. It's on a cart and they pulled it out, and look at how close we were able to get. That is an easy job.
And it's not that hot right now. It's super early in the morning, and we're gonna bust this out real quick and then go take care of the rest of the stuff we gotta do for the day.
Oh yeah, you know, we're in the process of moving, so everybody that's moved before knows how much work that is. But it's so much easier when you own a junk removal business.
Oh yeah.
Because you already have trucks and you can help yourself move. You can get rid of all your old junk, and it's awesome.
I'm looking forward to it, so let's get this job done. So check it out, guys. We always give it to you raw and uncut, and this customer told us there's just a wheelbarrow full of tile, and when we started digging in here, there was a whole lot more than a wheelbarrow full of tile. So we don't like surprises, so what I did was I went and talked to the contractor, let him know, hey, we don't like surprises. There's more than a wheelbarrow in here, and we gotta charge more money. I don't want to tell you at the end of the job, so I went in there, let him know, hey, there's a whole lot more, and he said he's cool with it. So always speak up and don't let people take advantage of you. And I thought this was gonna be easy money, even though it's easy money and I'm getting my cardio in. It's a little bit of some weight here, JoJo.
Yeah, sure is.
I mean, it's not bad, but still, get your money. Oh yeah, and keep in mind, he said, oh, the workers said there was only one wheelbarrow in there. They always put it off on the workers, so don't let no one take advantage of you guys. And that is the tip of the day. And keep the copper, because on the copper, you can go on vacation.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Now, while JoJo keeps working, I'm gonna show you guys a pic of the debris box, how it looked before we came over here, and what they said it was. It looks super easy, but you know what? Sometimes them pics are kind of tricky, so check this picture out. Look at that. Looks like a pile of wood. So be careful, guys.
Yeah, you have to be careful because at the very top of this pile was a bunch of empty boxes. Empty boxes and a little bit of wood. And then once you start digging, this is what you'll come across.
That's why it's always good to dig through the piles, guys, especially with contractors. They are tricky and they will BS you sometimes. Not all the time, but sometimes they will. Now, just like that, about what, 25, 30 minutes later, job is complete, and you look damn dusty as hell, JoJo.
Yeah, I worked hard.
Now, just like that, we got cashed out. And he was from another county. He tried to get over on us out here in Sonoma County, but Matt Vic, we ain't letting that ever happen. And what's your prediction of the dump fee, JoJo?
Oh, wow. This one.
I'm gonna say $259.
$230.
$230. Let's see what happens. Now, if you guys ever come out to Sonoma County to Santa Rosa, this is the best Thai food out there. And this is not a paid review either. Sea noodle bars off the damn hook. Ain't that right, JoJo?
Yeah, we really like eating there.
Oh yeah, and the Thai tea is off the hook too. Now I never do this, but after pulling this load, I'm gonna go with $279. I'm changing my bet. What about you?
I'll keep mine the same.
Let's see what happens. Now let's see what happens. For the last week, we've been able to pull right up on the scale. No one's been at the dumps. I don't know if it's because of lumber prices and no one's really building that much, or gas prices, or what the hell is going on, but we've been pulling right on the scale. And check this out, no one's really here. Look at that. 3 cars. That's what I'm talking about. That means you're doing something right when you're the only one at the dumps. Well, these people are here too, but yeah, we out here getting money. And how does it feel getting money, JoJo?
It's awesome to get money.
I caught her off guard right there. So the JoJo has her tip of the day. And what is it, JoJo?
Well, you want to make sure that you are licensed and insured, because you won't get those phone calls from the mall. The mall's not going to call you up if you are not accepting cards, because the contractor, he wants to be able to just pay with the card. And they also want to make sure you're covered if anything happens, that you're licensed and insured. So you make sure you have those things, and then you'll get those kind of jobs.
So make sure you're a legit and legal business, and don't do stuff illegally, because it might bite you in your ass. So we're here at the landfill right now. We're dumping this load, baby, and we're getting money. So the dump prediction, the JoJo won.
Yep.
What the hell, JoJo? And I lied. We're gonna do one more job for a property manager that hits me up all the time. We're like 5 minutes away, so we're gonna head over there and knock that out real quick. But that is it.
That's it.
That is it. We got trash at our house we gotta go dump, so that is it, guys.
Yeah, we need to get ready for our big move.
And we can't wait. The paint is coming out so clean. The floor's going in next week, so you guys are gonna like it.
If you want to keep watching our adventures, our house adventures, and you're interested in seeing the house that we bought and all the stuff that we're doing to it, because we've ripped up floors and we're painting and we're doing all kinds of stuff to make the house a home, you can check out our other channel, The Matt and JoJo Show, with the link above.
So here's the next job. It's all this stuff right here along this fence line. I'm pretty sure all that trash over there goes. And also, JoJo, why'd you throw your mattress over here? And also, I believe this mattress. Hey, JoJo, I think we in the hood right now. Getting money in the hood. Look what I found, some straight gold. These are like 60 to 80 bucks a piece at Home Depot. Look at that. Now job is complete. It took about what, 21 minutes and some change.
Yeah, it took longer than it needed to take.
How often, leave a comment down below how often you guys do jobs and someone comes out and they're like, hey, that's mine, that's mine, hey, that's mine too. Well, that just happened, huh?
Yeah.
One of the tenants upstairs came outside and she wanted a bunch of the garbage. She wanted to keep it all.
Yeah, there really wasn't anything worth keeping. She said she did carving, but the wood was so old and rotten, you wouldn't be carving it. And then she wanted the little old dried up cans of paint, and like, they're dried up cans of paint, you can't really use them, but you know, she was picking through the garbage and saying that she needed it.
Ain't nothing worse than when you show up to a hoarder house and the hoarder's there. Not in this situation, but when you clean out hoarder houses and the hoarder's there and you're cleaning stuff out and they're like, hey, I like that, I want that. Let me check that, let me see that, let me go through that. Oh, hell no, I can use this. And there's a bunch of spider webs, rat shit on top of it. And they're like,
you haven't used that in 50 years.
That's why they're hoarders.
You're not ever gonna use this.
So we are done for the day. Finally, we're going to the house right now to do one more load for us.
Yeah.
We gotta take care of us sometimes.
Yeah, we're moving on up.
Moving on up. So we're at the last job of the day. And JoJo, just because we're at our house doesn't mean you can slack off. So what are we throwing away?
What are we not throwing away?
Oh yeah, we're throwing a bunch of stuff away. I got the dump trailer parked in the backyard, if you guys can see. And I'm keeping most of my hunting and fishing stuff. Well, actually all my hunting and fishing stuff. And JoJo's like, we can sell this couch. But if you only knew what we've been doing on this couch, you wouldn't want to buy this couch. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. And JoJo, you want to add anything else to it or what?
No, I'm good. I'm ready to get started.
Let's do this.